This is a video guide for the field operator. You can visit the link at mosquitomapper.com/login to know about our system. Go to this link mosquitomapper.com/login and type in the credentials. First is we are going to the Site Manager tab. And in this tab, we can add sites that we are going to inspect regularly so that our user knows what areas we are inspecting. You can click on the map and place the marker. And in the left side of the tab, we can see the options for naming the site and its description. For now, we can put down this information and click Save. Then we can see that our marker is saved. We can click on the public map to see it. Now, in the admin upload, here we can upload our pictures taken. You can see here that we have two options to get our weather data. It is through the API or the IoT sensor. If we choose the API, the weather data, it is automatically gotten from the internet. If we choose the local IoT sensor, we can get the data from the IoT. Next is selecting a site. When you choose the API, you can get the data when you click the site. But when you choose the IoT sensor, you need to choose for the month and what is the date and time the reading. Next is the selection of the image upload. You need to upload the images taken from the inspections to its respective site. You can choose to upload a bunch of pictures for different sites or a single one. In this case, we will just use one. Next is add to queue and process dispatch. After successful upload, we can see in the public map the results and what the AI has detected. Thank you for watching.